Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to publish document on web from Google Docs. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just go to Google Docs from the Google apps. So once I go to Google Docs, there will be plenty of documents over there in Google Docs. So I have created a lot of documents over there. So I just click here for my lesson plan. I just want to publish this document through the web so that the students can able to see through the link. So without any other edits, they can able to view and they can able to see what I have to do here. So on your file menu, so this is my document. On your file menu, just hit the button in the file menu. So once you hit the file menu and just go to share, once you click a share option, there will be a share with others and publish on web will be there. So you can publish through this option. So just hit the button publish to the web and you can embed this one from your website and you can use a link you can publish. So just click a link and just click a publish. Means, are you sure you want to publish the session? Yes, I just want to publish the session. Yes, I got the link over here. So as you see here, so this is my link. I can copy and I can send the link to my students so that students can able to see the content and you can able to view all type of things. So if you want to stop publishing, you can stop publishing and you can able to even though you can able to stop publishing, or even you can able to give an option to your students. I just copy and paste the link. The view will be open here from the published document. So there is no editing option. So only on the web the details will be published. They can able to see, they can able to copy, and they can able to watch, read everything they can do. But the thing will be, it won't edit by the students. So while you edit from the document, automatically it will update. That is update automatically every 5 minutes. So for example, I just have a max first period, I just have a third period or any other things I can edit. Means automatically the update will be happen within 5 minutes of time. So you just refresh the thing, automatically it will update automatically every 5 minutes, so that it will be easy to have access to create a different types of document you can publish, you can able to see. For example, if you want to stop publish your things, just click a share option, publish the web. So you already published, you just click it to stop publishing. You can stop publish your entire page. So your publish link will be, if you refresh, means it will be not published. So we are sorry, this document is not published, will be displayed over here. So this is a beautiful option Google Docs has given. Use this option to give a different types of works or college works or any types of lesson plans or any types of document. If you want to share with your teams, you can share. After that, you can stop publish your things. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.